Imagine what an extra $100 a day could do for you. That's $3,000 a month, enough to pay rent, eliminate debt, build savings, or start investing. Many people spend years chasing shortcuts that never deliver. Today, we're diving into side hustles that real Americans use to consistently earn extra income. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but proven ways to make a difference in your finances. Let's explore how you can start earning $100 a day and transform your life one step at a time. Side hustles are more than just extra cash. They're opportunities to gain new skills, meet new people, and build confidence. Whether you're looking to pay bills or save for something special, side hustles can help you reach your goals. The key is to find something that fits your interests and schedule. With dedication and consistency, you can turn a simple idea into a reliable income stream. Let's look at the most effective ways to start earning today. Businesses everywhere need help with tasks like video editing, social media management, graphic design, virtual assistants, and website building. If you learn one of these skills and practice daily, you can create sample work to showcase your abilities. Start reaching out to potential clients. One client can be your first $100 day. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere and set your own hours. It's a flexible way to earn and grow your income over time. Content creators and businesses are constantly producing videos, but many dislike the editing process. This is your chance to step in. Learn basic video editing through free online tutorials and offer your services to creators and companies. The demand for editors is huge and growing every year. With just a few clients, you can easily reach $100 a day. Video editing is a skill that pays well and can be learned quickly with dedication. Simple local services like pressure washing, lawn care, car detailing, dog walking, junk removal, and window cleaning can generate income quickly. People are willing to pay for convenience and results. These services often outperform complicated business ideas because they solve real problems for customers. With minimal equipment and some hustle, you can start earning right away. Local service hustles are perfect for those who enjoy hands-on work and helping others. Pressure washing is a simple service that can bring in steady income. Homeowners and businesses need clean exteriors, driveways, and sidewalks. With a pressure washer and some marketing, you can start offering your services in your neighborhood. Many people are surprised at how quickly they can earn $100 a day with just a few clients. It's a straightforward hustle that rewards effort and reliability. Lawn care is another local service with high demand. Many homeowners don't have time or equipment to maintain their yards. Offering mowing, trimming, and landscaping can quickly add up to $100 a day. Start with neighbors and expand through word of mouth. Lawn care is a seasonal hustle, but with consistent clients, you can build a steady stream of income and even grow into a larger business. Car detailing is a hands-on service that pays well. Many people want their vehicles cleaned and polished but don't have the time or tools. With basic supplies and attention to detail, you can offer car detailing in your area. It's a service that people value, and you can charge premium rates for quality work. Building a reputation for thoroughness and reliability will help you reach $100 a day consistently. Dog walking is a simple yet effective side hustle. Many pet owners need help with daily walks, especially during busy workdays. By offering reliable dog walking services, you can quickly build a client base. It's a flexible hustle that fits around your schedule and provides steady income. Plus, spending time with dogs can be enjoyable and rewarding. With just a few clients, you can easily earn $100 a day. Junk removal is a service that solves a real problem for people. Many homeowners and businesses need help clearing out unwanted items. With a truck or van and some muscle, you can offer junk removal in your area. It's a hustle that pays well and can be started with minimal investment. Building relationships with clients and offering reliable service will help you reach $100 a day and grow your business. Window cleaning is a simple service that people are willing to pay for. Many homes and businesses need clean windows but don't have the time or equipment. With basic supplies and some marketing, you can offer window cleaning in your area. It's a hustle that rewards reliability and attention to detail. Consistent clients can help you reach $100 a day and build a reputation for quality work. Online flipping is a great way to turn unused items into cash. Start by selling things you no longer need from your home. Once you get the hang of it, look for underpriced products to buy and resell for profit. Electronics, furniture, tools, and gaming consoles are popular items. Flipping is flexible and can be done from anywhere. With a keen eye for deals, you can consistently earn $100 a day. Electronics are in high demand and easy to flip online. Look for deals on phones, tablets, laptops, and gaming consoles. Clean, test, and list them on popular platforms. Buyers are always looking for good deals, and you can earn a solid profit with each sale. With consistent effort, flipping electronics can help you reach $100 a day and build a reputation as a reliable seller. Furniture is another category with strong flipping potential. Look for underpriced items at garage sales, thrift stores, or online marketplaces. Clean and repair them as needed, then resell for a profit. Many buyers are searching for quality furniture at affordable prices. With a little effort, you can turn furniture flipping into a steady $100 a day hustle. Tools are always in demand, especially for DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Find deals on tools at sales or online, clean them up, and resell for a profit. With the right approach, you can quickly build a reputation and earn $100 a day. Tool flipping is a practical hustle that rewards attention to detail and market knowledge. Gaming consoles are popular and easy to flip for profit. Look for deals on used consoles, clean and test them, then list them online. Many buyers are searching for affordable gaming options. With consistent sourcing and selling, you can reach $100 a day. Gaming console flipping is a fun and rewarding hustle for tech enthusiasts. Content creation on platforms like YouTube and TikTok can become a powerful income source. Through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, memberships, and digital products, creators build multiple streams of income. Consistency is the key. Posting regularly and engaging with your audience helps you grow. With dedication, content creation can easily reach $100 a day and beyond. YouTube offers several ways to earn money, including ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. By creating valuable content and growing your subscriber base, you can unlock these income streams. Many creators start small but grow steadily with consistent uploads. YouTube monetization is a proven path to earning $100 a day, especially for those who enjoy sharing knowledge and entertainment. Short-form content on platforms like TikTok and Instagram can generate income quickly. Brands and audiences love engaging bite-sized videos. Through sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products, creators can earn $100 a day. The key is to post regularly and stay on top of trends. Short-form content is a fast-paced hustle that rewards creativity and consistency. Affiliate marketing is a way to earn commissions by promoting products or services. Share links through your content and earn a percentage of sales. Many creators use affiliate marketing to supplement their income. With the right strategy, you can reach $100 a day by recommending products you trust. It's a flexible hustle that works alongside other income streams. Sponsorships are a major income source for content creators. Brands pay to be featured in videos, posts, or stories. As your audience grows, you can attract more sponsorship deals. Building relationships with brands and delivering value to your audience is key. Sponsorships can help you reach $100 a day and scale your content creation business. Memberships allow creators to offer exclusive content to their audience for a monthly fee. Platforms like Patreon make it easy to set up and manage memberships. By providing value and engaging with members, you can build a steady income stream. Memberships are a great way to reach $100 a day and deepen your connection with your audience. Digital products like templates, guides, spreadsheets, ebooks, and resources solve real problems for people. Build once, sell many times. This creates leverage and scalable income. With the right marketing, digital products can help you reach $100 a day. It's a hustle that rewards creativity and problem-solving skills. Templates are valuable digital products that save people time and effort. Create templates for resumes, budgets, social media posts, or business plans. Sell them online and watch your income grow. Templates are easy to build and can be sold repeatedly. With the right approach, you can reach $100 a day by helping others streamline their work. Guides and spreadsheets are practical digital products that help people solve problems. Create step-by-step guides or useful spreadsheets for budgeting, planning, or tracking goals. Sell them online and build a reputation for quality resources. With consistent marketing, guides and spreadsheets can help you reach $100 a day. Ebooks and digital resources are popular products that can be sold repeatedly. Write about topics you know well or create resources that help people achieve their goals. With the right marketing, ebooks can become a steady income stream. Ebooks and resources are a scalable hustle that rewards expertise and creativity. Biggest mistake people make is quitting too early. They jump from one side hustle to another before seeing results. Success comes from focus and consistent action over time. Stick with one hustle, learn from your mistakes, and improve as you go. Consistency is the secret to reaching $100 a day and building lasting income. Many people give up before their side hustle has a chance to succeed. They get discouraged by slow progress or lack of immediate results. The truth is, every successful hustler faces setbacks. The difference is persistence. By sticking with your chosen hustle and learning from challenges, you can turn slow days into profitable ones. Avoid the trap of quitting early and stay committed to your goals. Jumping from one hustle to another can slow your progress. Instead, pick one side hustle and commit to it for at least 30 days. This gives you time to learn, improve, and see real results. Focusing on one hustle helps you build skills and confidence. Once you achieve your first $100 day, you'll know you can create income by providing value. Earning your first $100 day is a powerful confidence booster. It proves that you can create income by providing value. This lesson opens your eyes to new opportunities everywhere. Confidence grows with each success, and you'll find it easier to try new hustles or scale your current one. Building confidence is a key step in your side hustle journey. Once you learn how to earn $100 a day, you'll start seeing opportunities everywhere. Whether it's freelancing, local services, flipping, or content creation, the skills you build will help you spot new ways to earn. The world is full of problems waiting to be solved, and side hustles are your ticket to financial freedom. Stay alert and open to new ideas. Every side hustle helps you develop valuable skills. Whether it's communication, marketing, problem-solving, or technical abilities, these skills can be used in other hustles or jobs. Skill development is a hidden benefit of side hustling. The more you learn, the more you can earn. Invest in yourself and your abilities for long-term success. Side hustles connect you with new people, clients, customers, and other hustlers. Networking opens doors to new opportunities and partnerships. Building relationships is a key part of growing your hustle. The more people you know, the more chances you have to succeed. Networking is a valuable skill that pays off in every hustle. Side hustles are a path to financial freedom. By earning extra income, you can pay off debt, save for the future, and invest in your goals. Financial freedom means having choices and control over your life. Side hustling is a practical way to move closer to that dream. Start today and take steps toward financial independence. Every side hustle comes with challenges, slow days, tough clients, or unexpected setbacks. The key is to stay positive and keep moving forward, learn from your mistakes and adapt your approach. Overcoming challenges builds resilience and prepares you for bigger opportunities. Don't let obstacles stop you from reaching your $100 day goal. Once you master your first hustle, look for ways to scale, add new clients, expand your services, or automate parts of your business. Scaling helps you earn more and reach bigger goals. The skills and confidence you build will make it easier to grow. Scaling is the next step after achieving consistent $100 days. Diversifying your income is a smart strategy. Once you have one hustle working, explore others to create multiple streams. This reduces risk and increases stability. Multiple income streams help you weather tough times and reach financial goals faster. Side hustling is all about building a strong foundation for your future. Managing your time is crucial for side hustling success. Set clear goals, create a schedule, and prioritize tasks. Balance your hustle with other responsibilities to avoid burnout. Good time management helps you stay productive and reach your $100 day target. Invest in planning and organization for long-term results. Effective marketing helps you attract clients and customers. Use social media, word of mouth, and local advertising to promote your services. Build a brand that stands out and delivers value. Marketing is a skill that grows your hustle and helps you reach $100 a day consistently. Invest time in learning and improving your marketing strategies. Providing excellent customer service sets you apart from the competition. Respond quickly, solve problems, and deliver quality work. Happy clients become repeat customers and refer others. Customer service is a key part of every successful side hustle. Focus on building trust and relationships for long-term success. Mistakes are part of every side hustle journey. Instead of getting discouraged, use them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong and adjust your approach. Learning from mistakes helps you improve and succeed faster. Every setback is a step toward your $100 day goal. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Reaching your first $100 day is a milestone worth recognizing. Celebrating success keeps you motivated and reminds you of your progress. Set new goals and keep moving forward. Every achievement is a step closer to financial freedom. Motivation is essential for side hustling. Set clear goals, track your progress, and remind yourself why you started. Surround yourself with supportive people and stay positive. Motivation helps you push through tough days and reach your $100 day target. Keep your eyes on the prize and never give up. Best time to start your side hustle is now. Pick one idea, commit to it for 30 days, and take consistent action. Your first $100 day won't change your life overnight, but it will prove that you can create income by providing value. Once you learn that lesson, opportunities will appear everywhere. Take action today and start your journey toward financial freedom. Side hustles are a proven way to earn extra income and build a better future. From freelancing and local services to flipping and content creation, there are countless ways to reach $100 a day. The key is to pick one hustle, stay consistent, and learn as you go. Celebrate your wins, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Your journey starts today. Take the first step and unlock new opportunities.